Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. We will try to block the number we've got saved. Let's tap on the number. Now let's scroll down to the contact settings and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you whether you want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So let's tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon and the information that the number has been blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way. However, let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way of blocking the number requires entering the blacklist. You can be on the contacts, recents, or favorites. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in the general list, we have to enter blocked numbers. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option also works. Here we can simply tap on add a number, and thanks to it we can enter the number in this section. We can enter it manually, so you do not have to have the number saved on your contact list. Simply tap on block and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, you can turn on the option unknown just by tapping on the switcher, which means that your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it's up to you if you like this option or not. You can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again, and if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.